Gikundi kimwe kiria kirwagirira kioto kia uigananu wa irio bururi-ini nikiyumiritie na kuga thirikari ndikoretwe kionania wirutiri wayo hari gukinyaniria kimwe kitugi cia thirikari ya gutigirira bururi wena irio cia kuigana.
We are only spending 2.8% on food, and food, remember, is our national priority. It's a priority sector under Vision 2030. It's a priority under the Big Four.
Ikirogoreria budget ya bururi ya mwaka wa Kigina wa 2019-2020, gikundi giki kiugite Kigina kiria kiigitwo keheri-ini itimine ria gutigirira bururi wena irio cia kuonia Kenya othe nikinyihitio ukiringithanio na mwaka wa Kigina wa 2018-2019.
Why are we not allocating enough? This is the fun part. First of all, the sector is very important. This is the sector that's giving you 34% of your output. It's giving you 56 to 70% of your labor. And it also generates about 65% of your exports. You must allocate money to it. This is the sector that's feeding the country.
Rendikithia rianyititemi a gikundi giki ni thirikari itigirire Kigina kiria gikugairwo gitugi giki ni gicunji gya 10 hari itari ria mahuthiro ma bururi.
We want the food economy to come first. If something is a priority, you need about 10% of your expenditure or 15% of expenditure. That's over 300 billion shillings. Then we will say, yes, this is important.
Kwa ihinda riri Kigina kiria kirugamirire mubango uyu ni bilioni 42.6 kiria ni gicunji kia 2.9 hari itari ria mahuthiro. Wa Jerometa, Inoro TV.